Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. Our satellite imagery shows cloudy weather persisted today for some areas over the central and eastern parts of the country, while in clearer air further northwards, thunderstorms have developed, as well as some parts of the southern and western Free State. Showers and thunderstorms continue into the early hours of Thursday, including around the northwest, perhaps even over Gauteng. That continues all the way through to about sunrise for some places. And later on in the day, it's going to be dry over the western parts, berg winds pushing temperatures well into the 30s and even the low 40s for some places. We'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. Afternoon thunderstorms redeveloping on the Highveld, very typical for this time of the year. Here's a look at the alerts for Thursday, and the first is a warning. That's for a high fire danger over much of western South Africa. Very hot conditions could lead to runaway fires developing, and there is also a watch in place for the potential of severe thunderstorms developing over the far western parts of Limpopo as well as in the northwest province. Let's look at your detailed city forecast for Thursday, and we see a couple of thunderstorms possible over the Northern Cape, but for most of the province it will be partly cloudy and very hot. Temperatures rising into the high 30s and lower 40s for some areas in the Western Cape, and by evening there'll be some fog developing along the Atlantic coastline of the province. 42 degrees as a maximum temperature for Oudtshoorn, while Somerset East climbs to a high of 39. Other areas in the Eastern Cape can expect thunder showers once again, especially for the northern mountains of the province. In KwaZulu-Natal, it's still going to be fairly cloudy, along with a few thunder showers inland, but for Durban, Richards Bay and Ulundi, for the meantime, we don't expect any rainfall. Morning drizzle likely along the escarpment areas of Mpumalanga, but Skukuza and Mkondo can expect a dry Thursday. And it's also going to be a dry day for Polokwane with a minimum of 16 degrees, climbing to a high of 28 in the afternoon. Thicker cloud along with showers and thunderstorms keep temperatures below 30 degrees for most areas in the northwest. And in the Free State, we also see some wet weather over this province. Bethlehem with a maximum of only 23 in the afternoon. Scattered thunder showers likely in your region. And there's also a 60% chance of thunderstorms over the southern parts of Gauteng. That includes Johannesburg, while isolated thunderstorms will be likely in the north for Pretoria. Winds are going to pick up along the eastern coastline in the afternoon, and we also see gusty conditions for Sutherland in the Northern Cape. Friday brings more thunderstorms, this time to the western interior of the country, and by evening a cold front is expected to bring rainfall to Cape Town and the surrounding areas, and that continues into Saturday morning, while it's going to be a dry start to the weekend for Johannesburg and Pretoria.